Hello everyone, this is a short video cleaning the small cluster connectors on the k100. So explain you if it's anybody interested. It's got a red plastic piece there, just push it out. This is how it looks. And then with the needle, it's quite hard with the phone in my hand. You just a minute. Somehow you just push it in there. Top of the small connector, a little bit wiggle it, pull out the needle, and that's it. That's how it looks. It's one side, it's got, if you see that on the side, the connector is split. That needs to be lifted a little bit because that's is blocking to slip out. That's where you push in the needle, and then you can just nicely take it out. Thanks for watching.